Hello everyone, this is Jasmeet Kaur, your master healer from Angels Heal You. 2025 is leaving and we are entering the new year, which is 2026. I'm going to give you predictions for Sagittarius, which is Dhanu Rashi. For Moon Rashi, we'll give you all the predictions which are going to be generic and also about your health. Then we'll move on to the relationships and then towards your money, abundance. And then we will give you a special message from the fairies about what you should do in the year 2026. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Sagittarius, 2026 will expand your world. Traveling, learning, and life purpose are calling. So are you ready for this? And they are calling you louder than ever. So be ready and be prepared for all these transformations happening in this year. Let's begin with the generic reading first. So, what is the message that I'm getting for you, Sagittarius? First of all, there is a special message that I'm getting from Archangel Michael for you that Sagittarius, you are safe, protected, and guarded by Archangel Michael. All your loved ones, your family members, your house, your office, your energy, your aura field will be shielded and protected if you stay connected to the angels and especially Archangel Michael. Now, the next message that I'm getting for Sagittarius is you need to nurture yourself. What is happening is basically you have an inner child which you need to nurture. And also there are a lot of times when we have so many responsibilities in the life that we stop forgetting about ourselves. We stop taking care of ourselves. So it's very important. The self-love, the nurturing, and the self-care is very, very important for Sagittarius in the year 2026. Once you start doing that, you will see lot of improvement happening in your life, lot of positivity coming your way, and lot of good health, happiness, and abundance coming your way once you start nurturing your inner child and start taking care of yourself. Now, also what message I'm getting is that you need to help children in this year. It could be giving them some education, it could be giving them some gifts, some surprises, or just distributing some food items or something which can help children to be happy. Once you start doing that, you will see that lot of sensitivity that we have in children. So basically when you have to nurture yourself, if you make other children happy, you will see a lot of positive things happening in your life as well, because in a way you will nurture your inner child as well when you start bonding with children. It could be children in your family also, if you have a nephew, niece, or anybody, the children of your friends or family, where you have to stay connected to them so that you are able to enjoy the childhood which you have been ignoring so far. Now, we'll move on to your health, Sagittarius, yani ki Dhanu Rashi. Exercise is key. This is a very strong message that I'm getting for Sagittarius. You have to thank angels for guiding you to an exercise program which will fit your schedule and which will give you good health, good physique, good body, and also you will eat a healthful diet and choose an exercise which fits your schedule, interests, and budget. It could be working out in a gym, it could be a yoga, it could be online classes. These days, you have a lot of dance classes or kickboxing, Zumba, whatever it is. Whatever gives you interest, you have to do the exercise in the year 2026. Now, Also, I can see that there was something that you have been going through, some health issues in the past, which past years. So now you will see recovery happening in the 2026. So you have to, what you have to do is that once you start giving yourself to God and angels, you will see that they will take your hand throughout the recovery, and they will take you upon the path of radiant and beautiful health. All right, now here I'm also getting a message that God is the divine healer. If you want to see the healing power and presence, you need to connect with them more often, which you have not been doing. But 2026, make sure that you connect with your God, with your angels, so that you're able to experience good health in your life. Now, Sagittarius, yani ki Dhanu Rashi, what is the message that I'm getting for your relationships? Calling in your soulmate. All right, this is a good news, Sagittarius. You are going to get your soulmate in the year 2026. So this is a good news. Your prayers, your affirmations and visualizations that you have been doing will help you bring together with your soulmate. And also what I'm getting here is that there are some religious factors. So it could be that you are seeing someone who belongs to a different religion. So what is happening is that your love life is being influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So something is hindering here. It could be your religious faith, it could be your spiritual path which you are on. So there is something which is kind of disturbing the whole relationship here. Also, what I can see is that there are financial issues also that you're facing, and these are factors for your love life right now. You have to be very careful, extremely careful in 2026, that all these religious matters, financials or careers or anything doesn't come in between your relationship. You have to keep a balance of your career, of your finances, of your religious beliefs, of your spirituality, and you have to make sure that your relationship doesn't suffer because of that. Now, Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi, let's move on to your money or abundance part. It is safe for you to receive. Sometimes you stop believing that you can receive so much abundance, and that sort of the visualization will vanish if you don't believe in it. So you have to open your arm to receive and allow yourself to get more resources that are available to share with others. You have to open your arms, be a conduit for good coming to you and through you as it blesses the world. So, what actions can you take is up to you, but the abundance is coming and you have to open your arms to receive it and know that God has kept your share in the year 2026. So 2026 will bring you a lot of opportunities. By the time it's spring season, you will have motivation, you will have a lot of ideas and thoughts which will finally help you in achieving your goals and dreams in the year 2026. So Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi, this was a generic reading. Now, if you want to get a personalized reading done, you have to get in touch with us on our number 73489-14808. You can also DM us on the same video that we have posted, or you can reach us on our website, which is angelshealyou.com. So in this personalized reading, you will see that there'll be month on month for full year readings, predictions about what you should do, what you should not do, what you should be careful about or cautious about, if there are any challenges that you are going to face, and what will be the solution to overcome those difficulties or challenges. So this is a very detailed reading which you will definitely feel that it will help you in the next year, which is 2026. All right. Thank you so much for watching.